Shoutout din pala sa mga nanonood sa live na executive producers namin, Tarzier Pictures, Sonny Vilena, Mildred Alayado, Sir Vilena, Josiel Vilena, Jen Vilena, Maki Macapagal, Andy Zon, Surat Matias, and Fancy Stays. Okay, so tawagan natin ngayon yung aming cast. Start tayo kay Miss Jackie Lou Blanco, who has a special participation in our film. Hi, Miss Jackie Lou. Our 4 leads. Start natin kay Jasmine Curtis Smith as Hannah. Cleo Pineda Skip. Janela Salvador as Charlie. And introducing Lian Mamonong as Mihan. So kasama din po namin sa cast sina Mix Almendras, Yesh Borset, Rachel Coles. So Open Endings is a sapphic film about 4 queer women who share a past. So in short, mag-e-ex sila. But now they remain the best of friends. Sobrang tagal na namin gustong ikwento yung kwento. So big thank you to Cinemalaya for giving us this chance, for this opportunity. Kasi we rarely see something like this on the big screen, and we believe that representations matter. So these stories are need to be heard, seen, and experienced.